Hello there. Going to talk to you about why fall colors are so beautiful. Let's get started. Hey, my name is Sharon Durbin Graves, paintingwithacrylics101.com with my trusty color wheel here today. Fall colors are gorgeous, and there's a reason that they're gorgeous. I want you to look at the color wheel. Blue and orange are opposite each other on the color wheel. Who cares? What does that mean? Well, here's what it means. They're complements. And if you put complements next to each other, they pop. And fall colors absolutely pop. You have all this blue sky and then all these oranges, golds, yellows, reds mixed in together, complements of the blue, put them next to each other, and they just pop. And that's why when you go outside and you drive down the road and you see all the beautiful leaves, you notice them more because they're against a blue sky background. In the summer, the trees are green, the sky is blue, they sort of blend together. But in the fall, when they start turning, that's why things look like they do, why they're so exciting and so beautiful looking out there. So anyway, just thought you'd like to know why this works this way. If you gained value from this short little video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the little bell. And it'll notify you every time that I upload something, which is every week. Have a great day. Let's paint together again real soon.